Rajneesh, can you give me an idea about Allison transmission facilities in India and scale of operations?
The Allison Transmission has got a manufacturing facility in Chennai, which was established with the production and manufacturing in 2010. And we have a very vast presence in India, both in the commercial and the defense sector. We are currently working in a lot of defense programs, both wheeled and tracked in India as of now. Insofar as global operation is concerned, Allison is almost running into 103rd year of their operations. Allison was established in 1915, and we have a global presence where almost our transmissions in 110 countries in both tracked and wheeled platforms as of now.
What is the status of combat and logistics vehicles as far as transmission technology goes in the Indian Armed Forces?
So the Indian Armed Forces till date have been moving on the archaic manual transmissions, and there were problems that were being faced both by the combat tracked vehicles and the logistic vehicles in the terms of operations in severe desert conditions and high altitude areas, because the drivers had a lot of problems of taking the vehicles in the rough terrains and all. However, with the automatic transmission, all these rough terrain problem is taken care of. The mobility becomes better. The reliability, the durability of the transmission is absolutely very effective, and this gives a cutting edge to all the combat vehicles, whether they're tactical, logistics or tracked vehicles. It gives an edge with the upgraded technology to the Indian Armed Forces.
But as far as combat performance goes, is it affected because of varied terrain conditions in India?
Yes, it is because if you look, we have got all types of terrains in India. We have got plains, we have got high altitudes, we have got deserts, and in jungle terrains also. So Indian subcontinent is actually dispersed with various kind of terrains, and which are challenging, mountainous terrains, desert terrains and all. So definitely there is always a challenge with the combat vehicles operating in these areas, and especially in the case of war and all. We find that the logistics vehicle will definitely need the automatic transmission to take them across and fight a war into the guts of the enemy.
There is some apprehension in the minds of few that automatic transmission may not be suitable for high gradients. Is that true?
No, that's absolutely a myth. And in fact, automatic transmission is the most effective transmission with the torque converter in the Allison automatic transmission, which takes care of all steep grades. So the gradability at the launch time of the vehicle becomes much more effective, and there is no rollback on the grade. So this transmission takes care of even the driver being inefficient to control the vehicle on the upgrades and the downgrade. So it becomes more safe and more comfortable for the driver as well.
As and when the Indian Armed Forces decide to switch to your transmission, will you be able to cope, because the requirement will be huge?
As of now, I just want to tell you that we are already running a lot of programs with the Indian Army. We have already delivered about 100 vehicles, DRAD BM21 with the Allison automatic transmission. We have done the light specialist vehicles with Ashok Leyland, which has got an Allison automatic transmission. The VAP 8x8 with the Tata has also got an Allison automatic transmission. The flatbed truck, the 6x16 ton crane, is also with Allison automatic transmission. And right now we are doing the BMP mobility upgrade, where Allison automatic transmission, that is the Crossdrive X200 series, is being used by 4 of the OEMs from Indian manufacturing industry.
Any issues regarding technology or transfer of technology, or these transmissions being manufactured by the public sector?
So we are giving it a thought, in the sense that the wheel transmissions, we already have a manufacturing facility in Chennai, as I told you. Regarding the cross-drive for the track transmission for X200, the Allison company has agreed in principle that they will transfer the technology and license to manufacture to the Indian manufacturers or any Indian industry or public sector undertaking, whosoever is willing to embrace the technology. So we are absolutely open about it.
Thank you, Rajneesh. It was a pleasure talking to you. Wish you all the best. I'll start by asking you, can you give us an idea about Allison Transmission global operations?
Of course. Allison is the world's leader, certainly on the commercial side, in the medium and heavy space as far as wheeled vehicles. For defense, we're also a leader in the world. In fact, we're the only transmission company in the world for military transmissions that do both wheeled and tracked at the level that we do it. For defense, products. We're in 110 countries throughout the world.
Right. And what is the volume of production empowering the number of quantum of vehicles globally?
Oh, well, since we started transmissions, Allison has built over 6 million since World War II. And then for military transmissions, it's over 600,000.
In the US, I believe most vehicles have changed over to automatic transmission. Or in the armed forces, are there vehicles still with manual transmission?
No, in fact, the U.S. Army, which, the U.S. defense budget and the U.S. defense industry, of course, is 40% of the world's defense industry overall, chose to go automatic years ago. There are no more manual transmissions in the U.S. Army.
But tell me from your experience, wherever automatic transmissions are not in use, is it only a question of money or is there a mindset against it?
I'm not sure. In fact, you'd have to ask different people throughout the world on that. But when I hear about the money, the price difference, it's, well, if you look over the span of life of a vehicle that's automatic, it doesn't even come close. Because the automatic transmission will last longer, at least an Allison will last longer. What you save on the cost of driver's training, and that's something that the U.S. Army and U.S. Marine Corps looked at very closely. It is so much easier to train a new driver on an automatic transmission than on a manual.
And when it comes to combat efficiency, what advantages does it offer?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, there's many advantages on the automatic side. We've heard everything from, there's differences for a steep incline. Well, yes, an automatic transmission from Allison works extremely well there. We would put it against any other manual vehicle or AMT in the world. In fact, if you test drive an Allison next to an AMT, which we do in Indianapolis at our global headquarters, you'll see the difference and you'll feel the difference.
What about serviceability?
Serviceability for automatic transmissions is fairly simple. But again, Allison stands by our product, all of our products.
Dana Pittard, it was a pleasure talking to you. Our best wishes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.